Yo, what's going on, everyone? I hope everyone's having a great morning. I'm having a pretty amazing morning. I'm getting my downpipes on today. I told you guys I had something a little bit planned for the exhaust, and I'll show you guys just what I got. So I went ahead and ordered some of the VRSF downpipes, and these downpipes I'm really impressed on. The welds are actually really nice. On all the forums, everyone was saying these were the best downpipes to go with for the best sounding, and they were only around like 350 bucks. We're at my boy Gustavo's shop again, just waiting for him to finish up a few things. We're gonna go ahead and get started on this exhaust, and I also got a few things that we're gonna modify the exhaust, but I'll tell you guys just a little bit when we get to it. We just pulled up into the shop. So we got this big fan just so we can cool off the stock downpipe, so that when he goes to remove them, the bolts aren't so hot, because I just drove a little bit to get here. So we got the very nice VRS downpipes, and then we also have this VRS downpipe fix, because when you put these downpipes on, your check engine light will come on because there's no catalytic converters that you're replacing, so you need to get you have to get this DP fixed so that it can turn off your check engine light. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, these are the OEM downpipes right here, and we are replacing them with the 3-inch VRS downpipes, and I am super excited because now we're going to actually get to hear this twin turbo spool up a little bit. And then I also have plans on doing the PE mod, and what I'm going to do is cut into this muffler right here, and that is why I have this straight pipe, because there's actually a muffler inside of this as well, and I'm going to put a straight pipe instead. So what Gustavo got going on right now is that he's removing all these brace bars that are connected, like this one right here, just so that we could get the exhaust hanging a little bit, so that we'll have more access to bend the pipes and get them fitted in there. Just got off the first downpipe in the O2 sensor. We were running it in a little bit of trouble of just getting access to the O2 sensor, so we had to push this back a little bit, but now we're getting better access to the bolt we needed to get loose. Guys, to be completely honest, I am really hyped to get these downpipes on. I'm so tired of driving a super quiet car. It gets so annoying because I had a nice Gretty exhaust on the wide body G, so it'll be nice to have a few changes. But yeah, just got one more downpipe to go, and then we in action, boys. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of comparison of the OEMs compared to the VRSF. And these are the 3-inch downpipes that I went with, and these will fit directly onto the OEM exhaust. Alright, so we already got one downpipe already in. We're just going to leave this one a little bit loose so that we can wiggle and get the other downpipe in, just so that we don't run into any troubles.
Learn more. Visit SharonRides.com, your transportation.
Alright everyone, we just got both of the downpipes in. Gustavo's just moving around and everything, just trying to get everything back in place, like the O2 sensors, and then it'll just be time to start it up and hear how she sounds. Let's get it. So before we start the car, we're going to mess with the ECU and install the DP fix so that no check engine lights will be brought up when we start the car. We do have to remove this whole top area so that we can get to the ECU. So we got the instructions up. We're just trying to figure out how to install this DP fix, and so far it's going so well, but we just got to make sure that it works and no check engine lights turn on. Look at this mess of wires. So we just got done installing the DP fix, and this is going to be our first time starting the car with the downpipes and this fix. So let's pray, fingers crossed, then nothing turns on. First start, let's get it. Okay. No check engine light, that's good. That's just the in and active because of my new wheels. We're gonna let it run for a little bit and we'll see how everything is. Alright guys, so we're just now leaving the shop, and honestly the startup sounds way better than it originally did with the stock downpipes. And I am excited to show you guys. Once I get onto the freeway, I will let you guys know my reaction, and I will show you guys some clips of me revving it. Okay guys, wow, I can definitely tell that there's a big difference and how it sounds. When I was flooring it on the freeway, I can definitely actually hear my car and the turbos actually spool. It's super windy out right now. As you guys can see, those trees just fly around. So I'm gonna pull up to my local parking garage and just show you guys a little clip. Alright guys, the moment you guys all been waiting for. Hopefully it's not too windy, but I came up on a few floors up just so that it's not so windy. Of course it has to be super windy today on the day I get my exhaust, but I'm gonna set down my camera and prop it up with this little microfiber towel. Let's get it. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear it, but you guys can definitely hear the turbo spool. You guys can definitely hear the turbo spool. I don't know if you guys can hear it on camera, but in real life it sounds absolutely amazing. I've still got the other mod that I'm going to be doing. Oh my gosh, look at my microfiber towel. Just fly away from me. That's how fucking windy it is. As you guys just saw, it is super windy out. I almost lost my microfiber towel. It almost flew away from me. But anyways, I hope you guys can really hear the exhaust in the car. The downpipes are absolutely amazing. The DP fix, I'm actually really surprised it really worked. There are no check engine lights on my dash whatsoever. I actually just drove about maybe 30 miles and no lights have popped up at all. So that's a really good thing. I'm really impressed of how this exhaust sounds. It was definitely worth the money, and if you guys are looking for a downpipe, definitely recommend this one. It bolted up perfect. The welds, like I showed you guys, were really nice on the downpipes itself. I'm really stoked. Now I just need to get the other parts for the exhaust, and I'll be doing that another day, updating you guys. But until then, we out here.